Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin. Mark, I am so excited.
Me too, Emma. Seoul is a wonderful city.
Is it your first time there?
No, I visited Seoul 2 years ago.
Really? You never told me that.
I wanted it to be a surprise.
How long is the flight?
About 11 hours.
That is a long time.
Yes, but it is worth it. Trust me.
Tell me something about Seoul.
Seoul is very big and very beautiful.
Oh my goodness! Look at this city.
Welcome to Seoul, Emma.
It is so big.
Yes, millions of people live here.
Where do we go first?
First, we go to our hotel. Then, the adventure begins.
Mark, look at this view.
Beautiful, right?
I can see so many buildings.
That tall tower is called Seoul Tower.
Can we go there?
Of course, it is on my list for you.
What street is this?
This is Myeongdong. It is very famous.
There are so many people.
Yes, tourists and local people both love it here.
What is that smell? It smells delicious.
That is Korean street food. Let me show you. This is called tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki?
Yes, it is rice cake with spicy sauce.
Is it very spicy?
A little, but it is very tasty.
Okay, I will try it. Mark, this is amazing.
This is Gyeongbokgung Palace.
How old is it?
It is more than 600 years old.
600 years.
Yes, Korean history is very long and rich.
This place is so peaceful.
I found it last time I was here.
You really know Seoul well.
I fell in love with this city.
I understand why.
I wanted to share it with you.
Oh, Mark, look at all the lights.
Beautiful, isn't it?
I have never seen anything like this.
This is my favorite place in Seoul.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Thank you for being here with me.
What is this neighborhood called?
This is Insadong. It is an art district.
Everything here is so unique.
You can buy handmade gifts here.
I want to buy something for my sister.
Good idea. Let's look around.
There are so many small dishes.
In Korea, this is called bansang.
Banchan?
Yes, they are side dishes. You eat them with rice.
Everything looks so good.
Try the kimchi. It is a Korean classic.
I don't want to leave tomorrow.
I know. Seoul does that to you.
I learned so much on this trip.
And your English got better too.
Really?
You were speaking to people all day. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mark, for everything.
Let's come back soon.
Yes, let's come back soon. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.